I've joined the Wickes team here at Walton Hall in Aylesbury to transform their kitchen with one of the Wickes Lifestyle Kitchen collections. Wickes has a fantastic programme which supports renovation projects big and small in the community, and it can be anything from providing materials for a veg patch, paint for the walls, even down to kitchen units and appliances, just like we're doing here today.
At Wickes, we are passionate about giving back to the local communities, and that's why in 2022 we launched the Wickes Community Programme. It's a product donation fund where we help local communities and charities up and down the country maintain or transform their community spaces. We have donated over 10,000 products to over 3,000 charities up and down the country to make our communities feel house proud.
Last year we received a grant from Heart of Bucks to build a community garden outside the front of the building.
In the process of going to get wood for that, Wickes very kindly provided the wood for free for us to build our raised beds.
When we opened the community garden, I invited Scott, the operations manager, down to plant a tree for us. While he was there, he said, if there's anything else you need, just ask.
They came into the hall and had a look at the kitchen, which was in a very, very sorry state, and offered to help with that.
Well, the old units were in disrepair really. They were 40 plus years old, doors were hanging off. Even if you cleaned it, it didn't look clean. We basically stripped the whole thing out, from the floor to all the cabinet units, the electrics we've stripped back.
So I worked really close with the Walton Hall to discuss what was really important in the kitchen, one being disabled access, so that the accessibility in and out of the kitchen is much quicker now. Another thing we put in was a double oven. This is a larger capacity now for catering. Also eye level makes it much more accessible than being under the counter.
There's been 6 of us working together on this project. From start to finish, it's taken 8 days, and we've given up our own personal time for this. This is free of charge, and we're just looking forward to seeing how it all comes together.
We've got lots of groups who meet here. We've got a toddler group, we've got a bowls group for older people, and I all think it's fantastic.
The really great community spirited team here at Wickes, and I'm so delighted that they're here today, along with their installers, doing something really great for our community.
Really easy to get involved. Just call into your local store, ask to speak to a manager. A manager will explain to you how the community project works, and as always, we'll try and accommodate as many projects as possible.
We've had such a brilliant day. Everybody's worked really, really hard, and I'm just looking forward to seeing how the local community will now get to enjoy this new space.